in Khao Sok National Park, and this is literally camping. I'm literally camping. Why do I get so lucky with the... Why do I get so lucky with the rooms?
Hi there. This way, please.
Oh shit, sorry. Hello.
Yeah.
Hello, what do you recommend I do right now?
Would you want to explore by yourself?
Pardon?
Would you want to explore by yourself?
Yeah.
Yeah, straight ahead,
Just
10 left
and then
side.
turn left. About 30 minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, that's fine. Yeah.
Yeah.
And yeah, cheers. Thank you.
Yeah, maybe you have to take like a poncho or raincoat. Do you have a poncho or raincoat? Maybe you're gonna be rain very soon.
No, it's fine.
It's fine.
It's fine. I'm from England.
Yeah.
This one is really beautiful. Ride motorbike before?
Pardon?
You ride motorbike before?
No.
Okay,
But I'm a quick learner.
that's okay.
Oh no.
So
Yeah.
this one is when you start, it need to stand up
Yeah.
and then open. Wait until they and then
Yeah.
this one.
Yeah.
This one will be front brake. This one will be back
Yeah.
brake.
Yeah.
That's it. Easy.
Yeah.
And then to open the tank
Yeah.
over here. And this one.
Yeah. Oh,
Gasoline
yeah, yeah,
95.
yeah. Yeah.
Take this one out.
How full is it?
Now it not much.
Yeah.
You can doesn't need to refill me on till full. You can make a gasoline on the next one.
Yeah.
Here, 100 meter. It's
Yeah.
on the
How
red
much
machine.
to fill it up?
You can fill like 100 or
100. That's
50
fine.
baht or
Oh,
something.
that's perfect. Yeah. Yeah.
So just make sure you have gasoline for.
Yeah.
If you go uphill, I recommend to refill first because uphill is no station.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah. 100%. I'll go refill now.
Okay.
Yeah. 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 Take. Perfect. Yeah. Pardon? Oh, helmet. Yeah. Yeah. 100%. This one? Big head, big head.
This one.
Or this one?
Yeah.
There you go. Right. There you go.
Okay. So my name is Jane. If anything wrong with my motorbike,
Yeah.
let me know anytime and have fun. Enjoy your day. Nice
Thank
to meet
you.
you.
There you go. reckon that's where it starts. What the fuck? How'd you start it? I did that. Oh, okay. Okay, so let me do it.
You can brake.
Yeah. So turn it on.
Yeah. And brake first.
Oh, brake first,
Yeah.
and then. Oh, perfect.
Bye-bye.
See ya.
Be careful. Please.
I was just waffling.
Balance the boat. And also, your hand, your finger. Be careful. Sometimes you rest your arm, your hand, your finger belong the side of the boat. Captain, normally they are right behind.
Fucking hell. 39. 39.
Okay, follow me.
Oh shit.
Chỉ có làm đâu, đừng vào, làm đi, làm đâu, mày đồ bằng to à, mi chỗ, đó, big say.
Yeah, I'm not jumping.
This is long windy,
Yeah.
big say okay. Mai ngắn quá. Đi tôi nữa. Ok.
Đón. Đón.
I was getting tired of trying, forgetting every word that I said, and all those old conversations turned into a melody. I'll be waiting for all the days ahead of me. Those words that put me under are never coming back again. I like my beat with some soul, I like my girl with some heart. I only love with my home, I don't know how to get far. I don't know how we gon' finish, but I love how we done start. So let's take a night to just be who we are. So I ain't got the time or the energy, unless it starts to go or
Oh my god, I forgot the fucking.
be doing things that I don't really love.
Manipulate.
Only light I had was coming from the sun, but now I'm shining on a cloudy day, and it don't matter what you say, cause even if the sky is falling, I'ma do it anyway. So save your worries, slide your loving. I can feel that good things coming. Finally believe that it's gonna be a bright one here. Every day I got a light one, yeah. Never not that it a tight one, yeah. No, I keep it 100 every time I come in trouble. No, we coming with the right ones, yeah. 35 can't play, get a bag on ya. Never will chains, put a tag on ya. I ain't getting lit cause my future too bright. Joey hit me up, I said that shit's on site. No, it's too nice. No ops, no lights, new heights that we never hit before, and I'm feeling too white. Gotta roll like a road on. Major difference is a platinum and a gold songs. Whoa, oh, you already know. I can make your life a push star, press go. Say we're off to a good start, let's smoke. Through the brains of the coupe, baby, it's roll. Shining on a cloudy day. It don't matter what you say. Even if the sky is falling, I'ma do it anyway. So save your worries, slide your loving. I can feel that good things coming. Finally believe that it's gonna be the right one here.
You're gonna die. 100%. Oh my god. It's like a fucking obstacle course. Yeah.
Come up up there.
I think I pulled my ACL. Oh fuck. Oh my god, my feet are sunk. Can you take a picture of me?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
There's a beer. Oh. Oh.
Okay.
Cheers. I'm not gonna come down.
Go to the right. Yeah. The right. You follow.
Fuck you. Fuck it out. climbing a waterfall in Khao Sok National Park. What is my life? Literally on a random Saturday, I'm here. What the fuck? The shoes are fucked. But we moved. Is what it is.
So, going.
Fuck you. Fuck it up. Definitely worse. Way down, definitely worse.
Now you got the spirit of the jungle. Land on your body. After this, you powerful. If tiger or danger animal around here try to attack one of those in our group. Let them bite you. Tomorrow you will be superhero.
The amount of times I almost fell over. It's actually crazy. Oh, monkey? No?
Because of rain,
Oh,
make the tree slippery. Monkey, if they got rain, they must become below.
oh,
And also the tree is block your view to see. Block your view. Look this side.
yeah.
Up. Is it?
No, yeah.
This side.
Yeah,
Straight up.
yeah,
Is it?
yeah.
Ah. This is dragon lizard or flying lizard.
Yeah.
These lizard they can
shit.
flying. They can fly from tree to the other tree.
Oh, okay.
มีไม้ถอยเลยก้อนนะก้อนนี้ก้อนนี้มีนะ
Fuck you know. Always shoot the hardest route. Oh shit! On the final bit! Oh. Ah, fuck. Yeah. Yeah.